Zubeen Garg, the voice of Assam. Zubeen Garg is one of the most celebrated and versatile artists from Assam, India. Born on November 18, 1972 in Tura, Meghalaya, Zubeen is not just a singer, but also a music composer, lyricist, actor, and filmmaker. His full name is Zubeen Borthakur, but he is popularly known by his stage name, Zubeen Garg. He was named after the famous musician Zubeen Mehta, reflecting his parents' deep love for music. Zubeen grew up in a musically rich family. His father, Mohini Mohan Borthakur, was a lyricist and dramatist, and his mother, the late Eli Borthakur, was a singer. His early exposure to music shaped his passion and inspired him to pursue it as a career. From childhood, Zubeen showed immense talent in singing and playing musical instruments like the tabla, guitar, and dole. He began his musical journey in the early 1990s with the release of his first Assamese album, Anamika. The album became an instant hit, making him a household name in Assam. After that, he went on to sing in various Indian languages, including Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, and Nepali. His versatility and unique voice allowed him to reach audiences far beyond his home state. Zubeen's rise to fame in Bollywood came with the super-hit song Ya Ali from the 2006 film Gangster. The song became a massive hit across India and the Middle East, earning him national recognition. His soulful voice and emotional depth made Ya Ali one of the most memorable tracks of the decade. After that, Zubeen continued to contribute to the Hindi film industry, working on movies like Saya, Dil Tu Hi Bata, and Kante. Apart from singing, Zubeen Garg is also an actor and filmmaker. He has acted in several Assamese films, such as Mon Jai, Tumi More Mattu More, and Mission China. His 2017 film, Mission China, was a major box office success and marked a new era in Assamese cinema. He also directed and produced several music videos and films, proving his creative talent in multiple fields. Zubeen is known for his humanitarian work and social activism. He often raises his voice for social causes and has been involved in several charitable activities, including helping flood victims in Assam. He is deeply connected to his cultural roots and continues to promote Assamese music and language across India and abroad. Over the years, Zubeen Garg has won numerous awards and honors for his contribution to music and cinema. With his dedication, passion, and love for art, he has become an icon for the youth of Assam and the entire Northeast region. In short, Zubeen Garg is not just a singer. He is a symbol of Assamese pride, creativity, and resilience. His journey from a small-town boy to a national music icon inspires millions to follow their dreams with heart and courage.